Hi everyone! Have you ever looked up at the big blue sky and wondered, why do birds fly? This is my friend Toto. To fly high, birds first need something very special: wings.
Flap, flap, flap! When I flap my wings, I'm actually pushing the air down with all my strength.
Exactly. When birds push the air down, the air pushes them right back up. It's like a secret handshake with nature. We call this lift. The more they flap, the higher they go. Up, up, and away into the clouds. Birds also have super light bodies. Their feathers are very light but very strong, making them perfect for the sky.
Watch me go! I can glide through the air just like a colorful kite catching a gentle breeze.
Birds fly for many important reasons. They search for delicious snacks and build cozy nests for their families. When it gets too cold, they fly far away to warm, sunny places. It is a very long and exciting journey. So remember, wings, lift, and light feathers make flight possible. When lift is bigger than weight, it's time to soar. Which bird can you name? Tell us in the comments. See you next time for more science fun. Bye.